Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy you're here today because I have a special story to share. It's about an ordinary day that turned into something truly beautiful. It's about kindness, connection, and how small actions can mean so much. Let's get started. It all began on a sunny Saturday morning. The weather was perfect blue skies, a gentle breeze, and the warm feeling of sunlight on my face. I decided to go to my favorite coffee shop, the one just a short walk from my apartment. It's a cozy place with big windows, soft chairs, and the best coffee in town. When I walked in, I noticed someone sitting at a table in the corner. He had a notebook open in front of him and a pen in his hand. He looked calm but focused, like he was deep in thought. His coffee sat untouched beside him as he wrote quickly, as though the words couldn't wait. There was something about him that caught my attention. He seemed peaceful yet busy, like he had found something important to do. I didn't want to bother him, but I couldn't help wondering what he was writing. I ordered my coffee and found a seat near the window. Normally, I like to watch people walking by on the street, but that day, my eyes kept returning to the man in the corner. I told myself to stop staring, but he was intriguing. After a while, he looked up and noticed me. I quickly looked away, feeling awkward, but when I glanced back, he smiled at me. It was a friendly, open smile, the kind that makes you feel welcome. I decided to say hello. I walked over to his table, feeling a little nervous, and said, "Hi there. Sorry to interrupt, but you seem really focused. Are you writing a book?" He chuckled softly and shook his head. "No, not a book," he said. "I'm writing letters." "Letters?" I repeated, surprised. "To who?" "To strangers," he said, his smile growing. "I write kind messages and leave them in different places for people to find. It's something I've been doing for a while now." I was curious and asked him why he did it. He told me that the world can feel lonely sometimes and that everyone deserves a little kindness. Even a small note can make someone's day better, he explained. We talked for what felt like hours. He told me how he started writing letters during a tough time in his life. It helped him focus on the good in the world. Now it was his way of spreading hope and happiness to others. Before he left, he handed me one of his letters. It was folded neatly and he said, "Here, this one is for you." I opened it after he walked out of the shop. The message inside was simple but powerful. "You matter. Your kindness makes the world brighter. Never forget that you are important." That note stayed with me. I took it home, and now it's pinned to my wall where I can see it every morning. It reminds me to be kind, to look for the good in people, and to share a little light whenever I can. Sometimes it's easy to forget how much our actions can affect others. That man's letters showed me that even the smallest gestures can make a big difference. His kindness inspired me to look for ways to brighten someone else's day. So now, whenever I see someone who looks like they're having a hard day, I try to do something kind. Maybe it's just a smile, a compliment, or even holding the door open. It's not much, but it's my way of keeping the chain of kindness going. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.